आयज आमच्या गोंयांत नॅशनलिस्ट काँग्रेस पार्टीक with the blessing of our high command like Praful Patel साहेब and Sharad Pawar साहेब त्यांनी आयज आमकां एक बरो गोंयांत नॅशनल पार्टीक एक ऑब्झर्वर दिला. तो जावन आसा नरेंद्र वर्मा, नॅशनल सेक्रेटरी कम स्पोक्स पर्सन, आणि आता त्यांनी चार्ज घेतल्या की as a spokesperson of Nationalist Congress Party. He is a young and dynamic. बरो हुशार. कित्याक आयज आमी चोयताले जेन्ना पार्टी कडेन जेन्ना तो उलयतालो तेन्ना आमकां दिसतालें दॅट ही इज व्हेरी नॉलेजेबल. आनी असलो नॉलेजेबल जो आयज आमच्या नॅशनलिस्ट काँग्रेस पार्टीन आयज गोवा ऑब्झर्वर दिला म्हणटकच आमची नॅशनलिस्ट पार्टी जे आयज आमची मुखार वचपाक स्टार्ट जातली. ऑफकोर्स आमी नॅशनलिस्ट काँग्रेस पार्टी जे आमी कोविडाकूय लागून जायते फाटी आसले आनी आतां आमी गेज अप करता. हांव इतलें सांगता एकूच कितें आयज 22 आमचे एक पार्टीचे मेन ऑफिस पेनजीम ओपन जावचे आसा ऑन 22 नोव्हेंबर इन हँड्स ऑफ श्री प्रफुल पटेल जी साहेब. आनी आमचे अलॉंग विथ द ऑब्झर्वर ह्या पार्टीचे आयज आमी मेन ऑफिस ओपन करतले. आनी हेच आयज आमचो न्यूली अपॉइंटेड ऑब्झर्वर नरेंद्र वर्मा जी आयज तुमकां हे हेजेर आपले पयले विजीट जे आमच्या नॅशनलिस्ट काँग्रेस पार्टीन मारला तेजेर तो 2 शब्द उलयतलो. तेच्या पयले हांव मागता जाय जाल्यार आमचो चेचे बाब तो आमचो सिनियर वायस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ नॅशनलिस्ट काँग्रेस पार्टी, एक्स चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ गोवा, तो आयज आपले 2 उतरां उलोवन देन आय विल टेल माय ऑब्झर्वर नरेंद्र वर्मा टू से a few words to media.
First of all, I thanks the media because they have given us time 12 o'clock. Thanks God I will reach here because my leader said and I told you he's coming. So you have waited so long, I'm happy. आज तो खबर आहा एनसीपीचो लीडर, इश्टे लीडर न्हू तो, द बिग लीडर नॅशनल काँग्रेस पार्टीचो नरेंद्र वर्मा तेगेले तर चोयल जाय एक्स म्युनिसिपालिटी कावन्सिलर तो पयलो, एक्स प्रेसिडेंट नॅशनल स्टुडंट युनियन ऑफ इंडिया, एक्स प्रेसिडेंट नॅशनल यूथ काँग्रेस, एक्स प्रेसिडेंट नॅशनल काँग्रेस पार्टी, आनी आज तेका स्पोक पर्सन इंडिया असो दिला. आनी आज आमकां तो एक ऑब्झर्वर कसो धाडला. तेच भायर तेगेलो दुसरो सतीश म्हणून आमचो सेक्रेटरी, प्रेसिडेंट आमचो प्रेसिडेंट तुमी मापताय जयली तो आमकां सुद्दां प्रेसिडेंटी भायर आमगे कांय चलना. दुसरें आमगेले बाय मागीर आमचो मिंद्रा प्रेसिडेंट आमगेलो हो आमगे तेच भाशेन तें काँग्रेसी तेंच्या भाशेन धांपा न्हू. आमगेलो मायनॉरिटी बाब Nazir is strong, not like a Congress who was run like that. No, it's with the Congress, National Congress. And I'm getting General Secretary. National Party. हांव तुमकां एकूच मागता जे एकूच मागता तुमकां हांव 22 तारखेर तुमी 22 तारखेर तुमी 4 पयले 3 आमगे थिंगा ऑफिस आमी उगडले, 4 तुमी आझाद मैदानार येवपाचें, जॅम्साक आमी उलोवपाचें उलयतले. आनी तुका हांव सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आनीक मागता Congress, National Congress Party padha, you will very strong than Congress.
Good afternoon. First of all, I'm sorry I'm a bit late, but you know, this is my first responsibility given by the party as an observer of Goa, and I was meeting all my frontal chief, my office bearers, my state committee, and when we meet with the functionaries of the party, who's the actual strength of our Goa under the presidency of Philip D'Souza and our MLA, former Chief Minister, Mr. Churchill Alema. Along with me, my minority department chief, Mr. Nazir Khan is there, Mahila chief, Mrs. Sandra Martini is with us, and the youth chief, Mr. Satish Naryani is with us, our General Secretary of Mahila, she is with us, and all my office bearers. So I'm extremely sorry I'm a bit late, but you know this globe is passing through pandemic, a difficult times, unprecedented time, and we are praying to Almighty that the vaccine of this should come as early as possible, so no more innocent people should succumb to this disease. Friends, I'm really really touched when Churchill told me, Honorable our MLA Churchill Alema told me that I requested him to you go ahead and you please attend them, and then along with the President, Mr. Philip D'Souza, I will join you. So you waited. I'm really thankful to you. And today, the reason I'm here, because NCP is going to have a central office inauguration at the auspicious hands of Honorable Shri Praful Patel, Member of Parliament. He's going to arrive here day after tomorrow by afternoon, and we are going to have an office inauguration and thereafter a public rally at Azad Maidan. And you all know that after 1.5 years, there is an assembly election. The Goa is going to face the assembly election, and the NCP, we have a lot of scope here under the presidency of Philip D'Souza and our MLA Churchill Alema, and all our frontal organization and party functionaries. We are going to gear up, and we are gearing up. We are building up our organization, so this coming assembly election we can really we have taken very seriously, and you will see in 2022 with more number of seats, NCP MLAs will represent to Goa, legislative in Goa Legislative Assembly. Now, if you have anything to ask, please. The floor is open.
So why this rally has been organized?
Well, I have told you that to build our organization, because we have a lot of scope in Goa. NCP has a lot of scope here, and we have a very senior two leaders here. When you talk about our state president, he was a former MLA, former minister, Mr. Philip D'Souza, and Churchill Alema, the former chief minister, and he has a grip in his constituency, and he has been representing that constituency for last so many years. So under their leadership, we are now building up the organization, and you know, earlier also we had an office, but this time this office we have outrightly purchased, and we are done a very nice office sitting place chamber for all our frontal, when you talk about youth, women, minority, student wing, our Seva Dal, everyone. So this rally is mainly to inaugurate this office, then addressing our, the cadre, and then henceforth we'll take it forward to build, because 1.5 years is not a much of a time to gear up for the assembly election.
As an observer, what is your take as far as the state of Goa is concerned in the election scenario here?
Well, Goa has its own history. Goa, it's an important, state of India. It's a very glorious history, and it is full of resource and minerals. Now, this state was always a secular state, if you see the history. Always a secular state. But as the scenario went on changing of India, the scene of Goa, also political scenario of Goa, and what happened in 2017, I need not have to reiterate. You know all well how things were, manipulated. Actually, the mandate was to A party, but how the B party manipulated and how this power was grabbed. But when you talk about NCP, Honorable Sharad Pawar, he's a very towering leader, 50 years of public life. He's the only leader. Karunanidhi was senior to him, but thereafter it is Sharad Pawar, 50 years in elected politics. Consecutively, Assembly, Lok Sabha, Assembly, 4-time Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Leader of the Opposition in Lok Sabha, Defense Minister and Agriculture Minister. When you talk about agriculture, India is an agricultural based country. And during his tenure in UPA government, you saw 68,000 crore rupees, the first time in free India, the loan waiver for the farmer. So, Goa, I believe, Goa, they believe it's a secular state, they believe in policy of NCP, they believe, in progress, and as you said that we are opening one office day after tomorrow, but then we are opening another office in South Goa also, where South district also, which will be initiated by our MLA, Mr. Churchill Alemao. So, Goa, we have a lot of expectation. NCP has a lot of potential. Today when I was meeting 2 hours, I had a discussion with my party functionaries. I could see a lot of enthusiasm in my party, workers and office bearers. When you talk about minority, you talk about women, you talk about youth, the student wing. So, I believe in coming assembly election, Goa is definitely going to give, we are expecting a lot of good response from Goa people in coming assembly election.
So NCP is going individually or tying up some other parties?
Well, when you talk about NCP alliance, see today in Maharashtra we are in alliance. Prior to that, till 2014, till 2015, or till 2014, for 15 years, right from inception of NCP, we were in alliance with Congress. We were part of UPA for 10 years under the leadership of Manmohan Singh ji. Now also, our first, this thing that we would like to contest, where there will be a respectful seat sharing with Congress. So we are definitely, we don't want the secular vote should get divided and someone should get benefit of it. And I have confidence in my both the leaders, those who are left and right sitting on this dais. They are very strong leaders. One is from south, another one is from north, and another one is from south. So we,
Okay.
yeah, both are north. I correct. Both are south, because this is, I will understand the geographical and the constituency thing gradually, the 42 district and 40 assembly constituencies. But let me tell you, we would like to, we would like to go with Congress, but subject to, there has to be a very respectful, seat sharing with them. And we are of the opinion that the secular votes should not get divided.
So you mean to say you would like to have an alliance with Congress?
Of course, our option is open.
So, but why then your earlier leader Praful Patel said Congress cannot take us lightly like this?
Because
you are saying your statement is different, his statement is different.
No,
Yes.
it's not different.
Everybody knows.
Let me, I have underlined that. What I said and what Honorable Praful Patel said, there is, you try to read that if there is a respectful sheet sharing, this is not,
50-50.
it is the respectful sheet sharing. That's what he meant, that's what I meant.
You are saying it in an easy way, he is saying it in a hard way.
The thing is, he's our leader. He's our senior leader. So every individual has his own way of putting in front of media. But the sole, this thing is, the secular votes should not get divided.
So, beside the Congress, you are open with any other religion parties?
See, let me tell you something. See, what has happened in Bihar. Today, the days have gone where it's only Congress or only BJP. See, if you see the track history of BJP in last few years, how he has done the alliance, wherever BJP in Goa few years back. Never. Because I said it is a secular minded state. NCP is always open for taking like-minded parties on the platform.
Looking at the current Bihar polls and all, is that NCP can start or lead the way behind Congress and NCP in front? Because if you see Bihar polls, those days of Congress are totally gone. So it is like, this is what you are trying to aim, like NCP can lead the way and Congress can follow them.
See,
It is going to be like that only.
let me tell you, see, one has to accept, it's a grand old party. Just try. We have to, just try to. We are 21 years old, wherein the Congress, Sharad Pawar ji always has, in Maharashtra, how things are moving, you know well. So, the thing is, when you talk about NCP is always of the opinion the secular votes should not get divided and someone else should not get benefit of it.
If Congress will not tie up a view, then what will be your role?
This time we are going to fight all 40 seats. We have two strong leaders, along with all my frontal chief and my cadre. We are going to fight all 40 seats.
And what will be your target of them?
How COVID has been handled, I did not have to tell you all this thing, and our cadre will go door to door. And 22nd, the function which we are gearing up, you are all going to be there, and we have taken Goa.
What is the NCP?
Yeah, Goa is willing to go with Honorable Sharad Pawar's ideology. They have seen neighboring state, Goa is a neighboring state to Maharashtra, and what Maharashtra has been, Pawar Saab's contribution, we all know.
Just it is like 1 year, 2 months left for assembly elections. So when you talk about 40 seats, say if you go look, this time is enough for you.
Yes.
Why not?
थोडे हमको घालर तगडे किती घालर
See, today we are in the world of IT. मला आपल्याला इथे सांगायचं आहे की आपण आज आय टी वर्ल्ड मध्ये आहोत. इन्फॉर्मेशन अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी कसं लोकांपर्यंत पोहोचतं हे मला बोलायची गरज नाही.
माहित आहे.
आणि आपण कन्स्ट्रक्टिव्ह कामं प्रोग्राम घेऊन लोकांपर्यंत पोहोचायचं आपल्याला. एनसीपी आज महाराष्ट्रामध्ये एनसीपी आज कुठे उभी आहे त्याचप्रमाणे त्याच धर्तीवर त्याच पार्श्वभूमीवर आपण गोव्यामध्ये 40 मतदारसंघामध्ये आपले कार्यकर्ते कसं घरोघरी पोहोचता येईल हे दोन नेतृत्वाखाली हे आपण येणाऱ्या काळामध्ये बघणार आहोत.
सचिन बाब
आमदार किती निवडून येणार?
तुम्ही इतल्या म्हणला आता पळय गोवा फॉर्डान कोणाला कोण पार्टी इंडक्शन जाता बीजेपीनी जाता तुमच्या हितून तर तुम्ही ऍक्टिव्हिटीज म्हणता हे म्हणता तुमच्या हितून कांय दिसना.
आम्ही अजून कॉमर्स केलो आम करतले
आता कसले
ऑफिस उगडलें मागीर कॉमर्स चोयता आमी
जॉईनिंग जावपाक पण एक्सेप्ट
just wait and watch after the open this office.
हां.
How many people joining to us? We are just kept them hold.
Are you all waiting for this? See, those 6 MLAs कोण तुमका जॉइन जावपाचे
No.
See, MLA मागीर खबर आहा म्हाका MLA मागीर पळया MLA मागीर पळया सद्याक हांवें 12 MLA केले आहा आनी 40 MLA आनी 20 MLA करपाक आवडे जाता आमकां. सो वी नो आतां MLA कोणा खुशा येता वी आर नो
Okay, alliance only with Congress का बाकीचे regional parties are
आम तेका तो म्हणाय आमकां सारकें ताणें सांगिल्लें बरें रिस्पेक्टेबल म्हणजे
फर्स्ट
there are regional
Business
parties.
I have
आहे.
already spoken, मी ऑलरेडी बोललोय त्या विषयावर की लाईक माइंडेड पार्टी पक्ष जर राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेस पक्षाचा जो ध्येय धोरण आहे नेहमी आमचा प्रयत्न असतो की लाईक माइंडेड पक्षाला आपण आपल्या व्यासपीठावर घेऊन आपल्याला पुढे जायचं असतं जेणेकरून जो धर्मनिरपेक्ष मतदार आहे त्यामध्ये विभाजन होता कामा नये. याने ह्या घेऊन आम्ही पुढे जाणार.
Like mandate मध्ये आप पण येतं आम आदमी पार्टी.
मी काय म्हणालो आपल्याला राजकारणामध्ये कधी इट इज टू अर्ली टू कमेंट.
Now you have to see our organization. Always media सदांच कितें म्हणटाले अरे Nationalist Congress Party office ना. And we used to take a press conference in some other places like hotel or some other place. Now we are having our own office. Now you see what will be the organization. It will be like from 22nd 22 तारखेर आमचे जेन्ना ऑफिस इनॉग्रेशन जातले तेन्नासून आमचे पार्टीचे काम फुल फ्लॅज काम चालू असतलें. बट जेन्ना एलायन्स जेन्ना आमी आमची पार्टी इन एवरी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन आमी उबी करतली. आतां ही पार्टी आमी उबी कित्याक करतली कित्याक जेन्ना आमी एवरी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन आमी गेले तेन्ना जे पार्टी ऑर्गनायज केली तेन्ना आमकां आमचे बगले की एलायन्स तेन्ना आमी उलोवपाचे.
There are 30 like-minded party will be there, but 30 like-minded people, what they are forced, you want to see that. Like-minded means कोणाक घेवपाक जाय.
Which are the important constituencies? 40 म्हणटा जाय तुम्ही. Which are the important constituencies पळयतात सद्याक?
आमी
Time will come.
आमी तुमकां
Time will come and tell you.
which is now strong constituencies and which you आमी सांगतले definitely सांगतले.
Lots of time and why whatever. Tomorrow you don't think, today you think. Tomorrow will come, will tell tomorrow.
I would like to mention one more thing. As you have said it, आपण म्हणाले की वेळ कमी आहे परंतु आज महाराष्ट्रामध्ये आपला म्हणजे महाविकास आघाडी आपण आहोत. आपले खूप मिनिस्टर्स आज राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेस पक्षाचे 13 मिनिस्टर तिथे आम्ही कॅबिनेटमध्ये आहोत. तर आम्ही सगळं प्रोग्राम चॉकआउट करणार आणि आपण बघणार सातत्याने येणाऱ्या वर्षभरामध्ये त्यांना आपण एक प्रोग्राम घेऊन आपली लोक सातत्याने गोव्यामध्ये कसं पक्षाला उभं करतात म्हणजे ताकद देता येईल त्याप्रमाणे ते सगळं प्लॅनिंग करून आम्ही चालू.
So you'll get these ministers in Goa for program,
Yes.
all 13.
Yes.
So that
Hence
will,
we'll be giving responsibility like
that will be a strategy.
that's one of the strategies.
तर तुमचे जायते एनसीपीचे लिडर्स पयलींचे आसले ते सोडून गेल्ले आहा तांकां परत एकठांय हाडपाक तुमचे कितें
So what, see, let me tell you. You mean to say about Goa? Actually,
I don't
See,
know.
कितें आहा तुमी सोडून गेलो म्हणटा तेका न्हू आमी सी आतां आमचे कोण जे कोण गेल्ले पयस आले ते कितें करून आमी बोगलेक हाडला. आयज आमी जेन्ना आमचो ऑब्जर्वर जेन्ना गोंय येयलो जेन्ना कमिटी कडेन मिटींग घेयलो तेन्ना 50% जे कोण पयस आसले ते आयज बोगले गेले. तेच न्हू, इवन न्यू जायते जाण आमच्या पार्टीन जॉईंट जावपाक रेडी जाले. तो ती देखून फंक्शन आमी आमच्या ऑब्झर्वराक सांगला आनी आमच्या हायकमांड जो प्रफुल्ल पटेलाक साहेबाकूय सांगला आमी ते आमी फंक्शन बाराबर एकठांय दवरून आमी सगळे मास एंट्री करपाक हें आमचें चिंतप आहा. सो हे हेजेर आमी तुमकां डेफिनेटली आमी सांगतले कोण भितर येवपाचे आहा आनी जे पार्टीन देखून आमचे कोण पयस आहाले तेंका देखून आमी बोगले काडल्या आनी ते आमच्या बरोबर आहा.
Like only one thing. I tell you one thing. You know the Nelly Rodriguez. When I was the UGDP party, Nelly Rodriguez was our Mahila. She organized in the north and south more than 10,000 women. Now plus we got another one strong lady, Mahila now.
Sandra.
Plus more ladies are going to come. So don't take it easy. This party will be very strong.
Is Nelly trying to contest this time assembly polls?
That thing after may not. Why are you thinking about?
You are talking about the like-minded people. Like-minded people are in BJP also.
Like-minded people in BJP.
ज्यांका तुम्ही आडून
17 MLAs are there, no?
देणार का?
17 MLAs are there, no?
See, there are certain strategy. मला वाटत नाही मला इथे बोलायची गरज आहे. राजकारणामध्ये जेव्हा निवडणुकीसमोर आपण जातो आणि त्यावेळी कसं ते सगळं आपण ते सगळं अलायन्स संदर्भात कोणाबरोबर जायचं आणि जे घडामोडी कशी घडतात ते आज एवढं लवकर सांगणं योग्य नसणार. परंतु अगेन एंड अगेन आय रिटरेट, अधोरेखी करतोय मी की एनसीपी इज ऑफ द ओपिनियन that the secular parties, NCP has always tried to take secular front on one platform.
मायकल लोबोक तुम्ही किती भितर गेला?
Michael Lobo,
Any approach that Michael
no,
Lobo
that we
is
will
just
tell you later on. Why now only? So there is a still time. There is a still time for that. So we should not highlight certain things, you know.
Thank you.
Yeah? So then another thing I will just tell you before winding up. So now सगळे media cancel. हांव सगळे मिडियाक एक रिक्वेस्ट करता आनी आमंत्रण दिता की ऑन 22nd आमी आमचे ऑफिस उद्घाटन ऑफिसाचे इनॉग्रेशन करतलो प्रफुल्ल पटेल साहेबांचो तेन्ना तुमी सगळे आमचे पार्टीचे इन्विटेशन आहा प्लीज अटेंड जा आनी हे फंक्शनाक तुमी मातशें देवार 3:30 सुमार तो ऑफिस इनॉग्रेशन करता आमी मालवेरा
नवीन टाइम सांगा.
Thank you.
आनी कितें
Full supporting. Don't vote. Don't vote.
Now, see, now, actually, no.
We are opposing the vote. We are opposing the vote. Full supporting. Against.
आम्ही 100% कोलाचो इश्यू हो मस्कोऱ्यांचो न्हू आनी फोकाणांचो
Serious the issue.
हो सिरियस इश्यू 100% जेन्ना आमी देखून मिनिस्टर आमी देखून गव्हर्मेंटान आले आमी देखून जायतो प्रयत्न केला पूण आयज आख्खो गोंय उठला आख्खो लोक उठला आनी जेन्ना हो जो आमी उठल्या नॅशनलिस्ट काँग्रेस पार्टी जे आमी आहाय जेन्ना तुमकां एक उदाहरण दिता जेन्ना हियरिंग चालू केल्लें खंय मारबा गोवा आनी ते एक स्टार आहा सारके आनी ते हेजेर चर्चेल आनी हांव वचोन जे डेप्युटी कलेक्टरा कडेन जे हियरिंग दवरलें ते पोस्टपोन करपाक गांवान चर्चेल वचोन तेन्ना आमचे बरो रिजनल बी आलो आमचे बरोबर तेन्ना आमी गेले आनी हे लोकांक जे हियरिंग चालू जालें नाका आसलें एक्युजेशनाचेर हे फॉरेन्स एक पार्टी तर ते एक्युजेशनाचेर तर चालू जाल्लें हे मुखार वयताले आसले आनी प्रोसेस स्टार्ट जायत रावता सो तेन्ना आमी चर्चिल बाबा आमी रिजनल आमी वचोन एक आमी पार्टीच दोग जाण पूण मागीर आमी रिजनल नो ना एक मिनट जो मनीस
या
आसले,
भूतान कोण असेल
आमी जेन्ना आसले तेन्ना आसले जेन्ना आमगे हे जालो की डेप्युटी कलेक्टर हियरिंगाचे आयकून जालो तेन्ना आमी डेप्युटी कलेक्टराक सांगले प्लीज पोस्टपोन दीस हियरिंग. जेन्ना पोस्टपोन हियरिंग तो आयकून जालो तेन्ना आमी चर्चिलान आनी आमी सांगले आमी आमच्या चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन गोंयच्या चीफ मिनिस्टराक वयता रिक्वेस्ट करता आनी सांगता आनी हे तुका पोस्टपोन करपा लागून आमी तुका डायरेक्टली फोन करता. जेन्ना हांव आनी चर्चील जेन्ना आमी गेले तेन्ना चीफ मिनिस्टराक मेवले आनी चीफ मिनिस्टरांनी इमिजिएटली जो एका कलेक्टराक फोन केलो आनी कलेक्टराक फोन करून डेप्युटी कलेक्टराक फोन केलो आनी ते हियरिंग पोस्टपोन केलें. बट हांव सांगूंक वता इतलेंच नॅशनलिस्ट पार्टी नॅशनलिस्ट काँग्रेस पार्टी आमी हे इशूच्या हेचेर आहा. हांव जाणा हो इशू स्मॉल न्हू बारीक न्हू हो इशू म्हणटा ते जिविता आमच्या लायफाचो व्हडलो इशू आनी जेन्ना हे एक्विजिशन देखून तर चालू जालें डबल नो ही डबल ट्रॅकर ही स्टार्ट जातली डबल ट्रॅक ही जर जायते जाणांक माल पडटली आनी माल पडटली कितें आहा ही तर डबल ट्रॅक ही तर जाली सुरवात जाली काम जालें कितें हें केलें आनी लोक जेन्ना आतां उपोस करता एक म्हाका प्रश्न म्हाका कळना जेन्ना ही डबल ट्रॅक ही कोणा लागून वेदर ही लोकां लागून वो लोकांचे ज्यो बेनिफिटा लागून वो जे मैन ह्या आहाय कोल ओनर्स लायक अदानी आनी जिंदाल तेका लागून हे स्टार्ट करताय काय हो प्रश्न विचारपाचो आनी लोकां मदीं घालपाचो सारकी गरज. हांव आमच्या ऑनरेबल MLA बाब चेचिलाक हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता हे इशूवाचेर कॉम्प्रोमायज कसलेंय ना आनी होच इशू म्हणटा तो सारको म्हणटा तो लोकांचो जिविताचो इशू आनी ह्या इशूवाचेर आमी फेडपाची गरज ना. आनी ऑल MLA 40 MLA ह्या इशूवाचेर सगळ्यांनी ह्या आमचो लोक जो उठलेलो आसा आनी आमी देखून लोकां बरोबर आसा तेन्ना हे 40 आमदार हांव म्हणटा 29 40 आमदार ह्या इशूवाच्या ह्या लोकां खातीर आमी हेल्प करपाचें आनी नॅशनलिस्ट काँग्रेस पार्टी आमी ह्या इशूवाच्या बरोबर आसा.
रोहन काउंटी MLA बिफोर ZP polls assembly session मागलेले आसा डिस्कसिंग वेरियस इशू तुम्ही सपोर्ट करता तेजे मूव असेंब्ली सेशन करचें
फाल्यां जर असेंब्ली सेशन जालें हांव हॅपी हाल जर जालें न्हू हांव हॅपी असेंब्ली सेशन जाय
असेंब्ली सेशन
हांव तुका एक सांगता आमी मरे व्हरपाचें कोणें व्हरपी जाय कोणें डबल ट्रॅक कोणें पास केली इन गोवा वीच गव्हर्मेंट 270 जाली 70 वल्या केन्ना कमी जाली सांग बरें म्हाका. तेन्ना तुगेलो आमचो सकलो शेतारा माणसांक क्लॅप मारले मरे साजनाक क्लॅप मारले जाय म्हणून इसरोयल तुमी इसरोळाता तुमी रोडे तेमी हाडप आनी आमी आतां झगडप आमचें मरण जाता थिंगा आतां
तेणी हाडले जाल्यार ते बंद करप
तुवें 18 चिंतपा नाका आतां आमी सारकी आहा बंद करपाक आमी सारकी आहा पुढच्या बाराक पुढचो बंद करपाक पुढचो हाडपाक दिवपाक आमी वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू एक्सेप्ट द गोल हियर टोल यू 100 टाइम्स.
वन मोर थिंग ते रिजनल जॉइन जावपाक आहा NCP रिजनल ताचे कितें अप्रोच आहा NCP जॉइन जावपा खातीर रिजनल ताचो कितें अप्रोच आहा
चोय आतां तुमकां हांव आतांच सांगता अरे बाबा हे सगळें आतां विचारनाका देर इज स्टील टायम सगळे टायमाची तुमकां न्हू इतले तुमी सरप्रायज जातले हे नॅशनलिस्ट काँग्रेस पार्टीने कोण कोण येयले आनी हे कशे येयले काय म्हणून उगडास नॅशनलिस्ट काँग्रेस पार्टी हे अप्रोच आसा जायते जाणांनी अप्रोच केल्लो हांवें तुमकां सांगलां वेलकम करपाक आमी रेडी आहा वेलकम करपाक आमकां प्रॉब्लेम ना बट विनिबिलिटी ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्ड they are the men of masses or no whether they can win the election in particular that constituency yes or no that we are going to see first. So that is the winnability is the most important and even our observer also see that even Praful Patel Sahib also see that the winnability is the most important thing in every constituency.
Okay.
So that's why we are going to organize our party in a full style.
Thank you very much and please have lunch and